Hey, thank you for joining me today for your astrological forecast for Wednesday, June 9th. My name is Kat. You're joining me on the Soul Sister channel. Let's get started like we always do by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths so that we can become balanced and aligned and connected with our higher self. Let's take the first breath now. On this first breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies, flowing right out and going back to wherever it came from. In its place, we're being filled with this beautiful white light. This white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. And not only does it fill our bodies, but it goes out and forms a protective bubble around our physical etheric body. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity, all that nasty stuff. It's just bouncing right off and going right back to where it came. Now, while we're in this space, in this beautiful white light, and we're connected with our higher self, let's say our Gemini affirmation, I am connected with my higher self. Together we build the life I want. Now let's say that together, and we'll just sit in that space for just 5 seconds. Let's say it together now. I am connected with my higher self. Together we create the life I want. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, way to go. Okay, well, let's get started today. First of all, I have to say something really important. Happy birthday to my daughter, Linny, the nurse. It's her birthday today. And it's so cool being an astrologer because I'm a Sagittarius and I have 2 daughters and they're Geminis. So the polar opposite of the Sagittarian energy is the Gemini energy. I have 2 daughters in Gemini. Isn't that the great twin energy? Not only that, Linny was born today on June 9th, and Emily is born tomorrow, June 10th, 2 years apart. So that's pretty, I don't know, it's pretty astrologically, wow, amazing. So happy birthday, Linny. But today, I want to talk to you a little bit about, I want to get us ready for this solar eclipse that's coming tomorrow in Gemini. I want us to start thinking about it. The title for tomorrow's video is The Light of Truth. So this is what's going to happen with the solar eclipse tomorrow. Things are gonna come to the fore. Things are gonna become known that were unknown in the past. We have this Gemini energy. The moon is in Gemini now. And Gemini wants facts. Gemini works off of data. Gemini wants to understand things logically. And that's going to be shining, that energy is going to be shining a light on all our little stories we've been telling ourselves. Whether we've just started telling ourselves these stories or we've been telling them for some time. So, what is Gemini, the light of Gemini shining on? It's shining on Saturn retrograde, who is asking us to grow up and accept responsibility where it's due. Okay, that Gemini moon is also shining on Pluto retrograde. Secrets. Anybody been keeping a secret? Keeping it from the outer world? that secret has a very good chance of coming out. So be aware of that. Power. Pluto is about power. Gemini's light, shining light on where we have given our power away. Where do we allow others to manipulate and control us? These are the things that are going to be amplified tomorrow. So I want us to take a look at it right now while we have this moment, and maybe check in with our higher selves today to get clarity. Because if we've been deceiving anyone, or if anyone's been deceiving us, that secret is most likely going to be coming out in the next months. This solar eclipse tomorrow has an effect all the way through, depending on how you want to interpret it, the next lunar eclipse in November or the next solar eclipse in December. So this energy is going to be around for a while, shining the light on all our secrets. So be thinking about that today. Be thinking about also, this is really important, where do we need to make amends? Gemini's light is going to be shining on that as well tomorrow. Where do we need to heal? Where do we need to ask for forgiveness? Where do we need to make amends? Be thinking about these questions. Ask yourself these questions today. Be honest with yourself, because all of this is going to come up in the next months, so that we have the opportunity. We have the opportunity to grow and evolve. That is what we're here for. So all of these energies, they're just helping us evolve, learn, and grow so we can contribute our experience to the whole of everything, and we get to all evolve together. But we have to go through our baggage. We have to go through our dark closet with all our secrets, and they're coming out for us to heal in the next couple of months. So be thinking about that today, and be ready for that energy to kick in tomorrow. What advice does the universe have to share with us today on Lenny's birthday and on the eve of the solar eclipse? Oh, by the way, I will be putting out the forecast for the solar eclipse tonight at 9 o'clock, so you guys can all have the heads up before Thursday. Give you a little bit more information about what's going on there, okay? So check that out tonight at 9 o'clock. That comes out Eastern Daylight Time. Advice from the universe today. Finding sanctuary. View from above. Okay. Uncovering treasure. All right. Spirit is also asking us to get ready for this solar eclipse tomorrow by getting in tune with ourselves, quieting ourselves, centering ourselves, and getting in touch with our higher self, because our higher self is going to have to help us get through what is coming up for us. Make sure that we stay objective, everyone. Look at the whole picture, not just how I personally am affected. Look at how everyone is affected, on how you decide to act on anything that comes up for us in the next day, week, months. And then, I'm just trashing everything. Uncovering treasure. Well, once again, Spirit tells us if we do the work of shining a light on our issues, of looking at them objectively, of either healing them, transforming them, or releasing them, we open ourselves up to finding treasure, new opportunities, new ideas, creativity starts flowing again. So be thinking about these things today on the eve of the solar eclipse. If you like what you see on my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational messages and some interesting memes that kind of knock you in the head. Remember the most important keynote of this channel: life is lived from the inside out. Happy Wednesday. Happy birthday, Lenny. Namaste.